Public speaking. Public speaking is said to be the biggest fear reported by not only American adults but also Indian too. Chopping, flying, financial ruin, sickness, and even death can cause with this kind of social phobia. Most of us feel a degree of nervous apprehension when preparing to speak up or perform in front of a group, right? But those who are filled with a feeling of dread and panic in such a situation or anywhere the person might be a center of attention may be suffering from a form of social anxiety disorder, also known as social phobia. So don't worry about this. As you are my subscriber, then I am going to share some of the effective tips that are going to reduce your stage fear. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Shift your focus from yourself and your fear to your true purpose. And what is your true purpose? Contributing something of value to your audience. Second, stop scaring yourself with thoughts about what might go wrong. Instead, focus your attention on thoughts and images that are calming and reassuring. Third, refuse to think thoughts that create self-doubt and low confidence. You don't have to think about anything that is going to create low confidence or self-doubt in yourself. Fourth, practice ways to calm and relax your mind and body, such as deep breathing, relaxation, exercises, yoga, meditation. Fifth, exercise, eat well, and practice other healthful lifestyle habits. Try to limit caffeine, sugar, and alcohol as much as possible. 6. Visualize your success. Always focus on your strength and ability to handle challenging situations. 7. Prepare your material in advance and read it aloud to hear your own voice. 8. Make connections with your audience. Smile and greet people, thinking of them as a friend rather than enemy. No, they are not your enemy. You don't have to worry about anything. 9th, stand or sit in a self-assured, confident posture. Remain warm and open and make eye contact. Yes, you will have to make eye contact. It is very necessary. It is going to show your self-confidence. 10th, give up trying to be perfect. Nobody is perfect in this world, okay? So you don't have to be perfect. Remember this. Know that it is okay to make mistakes. Be natural and be yourself. Thank you. For more videos, like, subscribe, and share.